Hello, my name is Gintas and I am a founder of vivSTHETIC, which is a mobile car detailing company, which means we come to your house to perform the service. We have two main services. One of them is revive and other one is maintenance service. So usually most of our customers, they start with a revive service where we come in and get your pride and joy back to its showroom standard. So two technicians can complete the service in 4 hours. That is for exterior and interior of your car. So we do deep clean first on your exterior, which means we use safe wash methods using 2 buckets and snow foam, cleaning your wheels and arches with the detailing brushes. Once all of that is complete, then we move on to the next stage of the exterior clean, which is decontamination stage. We use a chemical decontamination and mechanical decontamination. So for chemical decon, we use iron fallout remover and tire glue remover to remove the contaminants from your paint. And for mechanical decontamination, we use a clay bar treatment to pull out these little particles which are stuck in on your paint. So with a clay bar, we can remove them nicely without damaging the paint. And then after that, we move on to more detailed clean of the exterior. So we use detailing brushes to get into little nuts and cracks of your car to make sure every part of the exterior is clean. Once that's complete, we dry with a plush luxury towels and an air blower to prepare it for an enhancement polish. So we use a dual action machine polisher to polish out all your paint, which helps to bring your paint back to its nice and shiny condition. So we use a special product which polishes the car, fills out a little swirls and scratches with a resin, and also it leaves semi-permanent resin and leaves protection as well, which lasts up to 12 months. So once the exterior is done, then we move on into the interior. So we start with the door shuts. We clean all the door shuts, then use the vacuum cleaner to extract all the dust and grime from inside, using also a detailing brush to reach more tighter areas where the hoover cannot reach. So we do that first. Then we move on to steam cleaner. So we steam out all the seats, all the carpets and mats. If needed, we also use an extractor hoover, which means we can take out a little bit more embedded stains from the fabric. Once that's complete, then we use a multi-purpose cleaner, soft microfiber cloths, always clean, and a steam cleaner to clean all your dashboard, all the center panel, your door panels, so to make sure all your interior is clean. Once your interior is clean, then we can add all the protection on it or dressing on it as well. Once all the interior clean and exterior clean, we then finish off with a glass cleaner to make sure the glass is clean as well. Good vision there. So this is the main service, which is the revive service. And then once you complete this service, you can choose to opt in for our maintenance service, maintenance detail, which you normally complete every 2 weeks, 4 weeks or 6 weeks. That is for your interior and the exterior as well. So what we do is we try to maintain the condition which we left on after a revive service. So you can choose how often you want to do it, depending how much you use the car or how often you want it cleaned, basically. So that's two main services. On the website also you can see the extras you can add on if you need extra polishing or if you want longer lasting ceramic coating. So you can see all these extras on the website. So if you want to book in, just click inquire now, fill out the form, then I will contact you myself to arrange and book in our visit, and then I will see you soon.